Bore da, good morning. I'm Councillor Rhys Lewis, we're on the Cynon Taf Council Tackling Climate Change Champion, and I'm here today at the Bryn Peakers site just outside of Aberdare to take a look at what happens with our household recycling. I'm joined here today by Sean Thomas, who's the commercial manager here at the facility, and we're just about to go in and take a look at the process. So let's go.
All waste accepted at Amgen Cymru on behalf of Rhondda Cynon Taf Council first must go across the Amgen Cymru weighbridge for records and recording of weights. Once it's across the weighbridge operator will direct the vehicle to the correct part of site. Usually for dry mix recycling, that would be the materials recovery facility. At the materials recovery facility, plant operator will load the recycling into the feed hopper, where it will then enter the main part of the plant. There's a pre-sort line where all bulky items and items that can't be recycled will be removed before entering the main part of the recycling plant. In the main recycling plant, the waste will go across a number of picking lines and through auto-sort technology, which will send it to the correct part of the recycling plant. Once the recycling has entered the last part of the plant, it will have a final quality check before dropping down into the loading bays ready for baling. The baling plant operators will check the bales for quality and then temporarily store it ready for collection.
Rhondda Cynon Taf has set the ambitious target of 70% of recycling by 2025. Are we on course to meet that target?
Yes, we are on course and hopefully we'll exceed that target. Welsh Government have set the current recycling rate of 64% in Wales. RCT have already exceeded that target at 67% and hopefully that will carry on in the coming years to 2025.